Here is a 30-inch Canarm twister, ceiling fan installed in the bedroom at my mom's. I'm not going to film my room because it is incredibly messy in here and I have to organize, and I'm going to be painting my room from red to a green, almost like that. So that's why I'm not showing it. I apologize for that. I've had this fan in this room ever since I was 5. The wiring is not in the center of the room, it's right here. There used to be a light fixture right here because before my parents moved in here there was a light fixture there, and then when I was 5 I asked my dad for a fan and he got me this one at Home Hardware, and then 2 years later my parents divorced and my dad moved out. So yeah, I have a bunch of things on the pull chains here. This, I just have like a ribbon with a bell on it and a pina colada scented car freshener, and on this one I have some paper clips, this glow stick that doesn't glow anymore, and a dream catcher that I made in school. I have the gray side facing down instead of the white side because I decided to update it. High speed. Does have noise. I think as you can see it kind of moves around a little bit. I think that's because maybe my sister hung something from it in here when she was in this room. So that's high speed. Low speed.